केम लर्निंगवरती मित्रांनो परत एकदा तुमचं स्वागत. या एपिसोडमध्ये आपण हेटेरोसायकल्सच्या काही रिॲक्शन्स पाहणार आहोत. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड आपण जे डिस्कस करतोय फ्युरान, थायोफिन, पायरॉल आणि पिरिडीन हे सगळे अरोमॅटिक नेचरचे हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड्स आहेत आणि अरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड्स are best known for their substitution electrophilic aromatic or nucleophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So we will discuss some of the examples of electrophilic and nucleophilic aromatic substitution reactions for these compounds, that is for furan, then for pyrrole, then for thiophene, as well as for pyridine also. So there are number of reactions which are given by these heterocyclic aromatic compounds, which are electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Out of those we will discuss only 5 reactions. First one, that is halogenation reaction. Halogenation reaction, this is first reaction that we will discuss for these aromatic compounds. Second one, that is nitration reaction. Nitration reaction. Third one, that is Friedel-Crafts FC acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Then fourth one, that is Willsmer-Hack. Willsmer-Hack reaction. Fifth one, that is sulfonation reaction. What it is? Sulfonation reaction. And fifth one is sulfonation reaction. So what is meant by halogenation? It is the substitution on the aromatic ring by halogen functional group. X is equal to, it may be chlorine, it may be bromine, or it may be iodine. So X is equal to chlorine, bromine or iodine. So halogenation means अरोमॅटिक रिंग वरती एका ठिकाणी कुठल्या तरी एक दोन ठिकाणी हॅलोजन म्हणजे क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन किंवा आयोडीन याच्यापैकी कुठला तरी एक सबस्टिट्युएंट येणे, त्याला म्हणायचं हॅलोजिनेशन रिएक्शन. इट इज अन इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक अरोमॅटिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन, टाइप ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक अरोमॅटिक सबस्टिट्यूशन. देन नायट्रेशन. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय नायट्रेशन? नायट्रेशन मीन्स NO2 ग्रुप, NO2 ग्रुपची सबस्टिट्यूशन. NO2 ग्रुपने एकाला सबस्टिट्यूट करणं, NO2 ग्रुप येणे, त्याला नायट्रोशन म्हणतो आपण. देन फ्रिडल-क्राफ्ट असायलेशन रिएक्शन. असायलेशन मीन्स substitution by C double bond O CH3 group. This is called acylation, acyl functional group, that is substitution by COCH3 group. Fourth one, that is Willsmer-Hack reaction. It gives CHO, that is aldehyde functional group, as a substituent on aromatic ring. And finally sulfonation, that means SO3H group. So these are the 5 substituents or functional groups which are going to give the substitution reaction on the heterocyclic compounds. These are the 5 examples of, specifically examples of electrophilic. What it is? It is the electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay, so these are the examples of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. We will learn each reaction for 3 different types of heterocyclic compounds first. That is how this halogenation reaction can be performed on furan, then how this halogenation same reaction can be performed on thiophene, and how this same reaction, halogenation reaction, can be performed on pyrrole. So we will discuss in this way, that is first we will take one example, that is halogenation, and that example how it can be performed with the furan, thiophene and pyrrole, first we will discuss. Then at second reaction, that is nitration reaction, how it can be carried out over the furan, thiophene and pyrrole. In this way we will discuss these 5 reactions which are common. मी काय म्हणतो लक्षात घ्या, या 5ही रिएक्शन्स या कशा आहेत? कॉमन आहेत रिएक्शन्स. All these 5 reactions are given by these 3 types of 5-membered heterocyclic compound, that is furan, thiophene and pyrrole. So we will discuss first common reactions, these 5 common reactions for these furan, thiophene and pyrrole, 5-membered heterocyclic compounds, and then we will discuss about the specific reactions given by some specific compounds. For example, furan gives some specific reactions like Diels-Alder reaction. So we will discuss later the specific reactions for these 5-membered heterocyclic compound, and after discussing the specific reactions for a particular compound, then we will go for discussion of reactions of pyridine, that is 6-membered heterocyclic compound. Okay, so we will start with halogenation of these 3 heterocyclic compounds. Okay, so we will start with the reaction that is halogenation of these three types of compounds. So now first reaction that we will discuss is halogenation reaction. Halogenation. First, halogenation of furan, how it is carried out, we will discuss. Furan means 5-membered oxygen containing heterocyclic ring. Okay, aromatic ring. So this is an aromatic ring. Now for halogenation, halogenating reagent which is commonly used is either Br2 in KOH or H2O or alcohol like C2H5OH. So these are the solvents we used along with brominating agent, that is Br2, or you can use for bromination like NBS. NBS is another one reagent for bromination. Then for chlorination you can use directly Cl2 chlorine water also, or you can use the reagents like PCl3 or PCl5 or SO2Cl2 or SOCl2. These are some reagents which are used for the chlorination. For iodination you can directly use iodine with Ki. Iodine with Ki, mixture of these two will be used for the iodination. Fluorination generally not carried out because it is very destructive reagent, or you can say that fluorine is an oxidizing agent, strong oxidizing agent, therefore it is not used for the halogenation reactions. So we will we can have the halogenation with Br or chlorine or iodine only. Okay, bromination, chlorination किंवा iodination या 3 पैकी एक रिएक्शन आपण या रिंग्स वरती करू शकतो. आता फ्युरानच्या बाबतीत प्रॉब्लेम असा आहे, हे रिएजंट्स लक्षात ठेवा, कुठल्यासाठी कुठले रिएजंट्स वापरायचे ते रिएजंट्स तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा. म्हणजे क्लोरिनेशन करायचं असेल तर काय वापरायचं, आयोडिनेशन करायचं असेल तर काय वापरायचं, ब्रोमिनेशन करायचं असेल तर काय वापरायचं, हे रिएजंट्स तुम्ही व्यवस्थित लक्षात ठेवा. ठीक आहे. सो आता फ्युरानच्या बाबतीत जेव्हा तुम्ही क्लोरिनेशन करता किंवा हॅलोजिनेशन करतो आपण, ब्रोमिनेशन किंवा क्लोरिनेशन कुठलाही, तर इथे जे रिएजंट्स आपण वापरतो फ्युरानसाठी पर्टिक्युलरली, it is true that it is a aromatic ring, stable compound, but directly use of halogenating agent, that is like SO2Cl2 or Cl2 in water, chlorine water, or Br2 in KOH or Br2 in alcohol, etc., etc. So such type of halogenating agent if directly used on the furan, they will break the ring. काय होईल, ring breaking होईल, ring open होईल, ring opening reaction will take place and side products will be obtained. As furan is less stable and it is more reactive in the all the 3 types of heterocyclic compounds, so as it is very much reactive, it will react vigorously with the halogenating agent. So directly halogenation is not possible for the furan. So what you have to do, just take furylic acid derivative, carboxylic acid derivative of furan, which is called as furylic acid, or you can say it is 2-furylic acid. 2-furylic acid. So this 2-furylic acid, when subjected or treated with Br2, it gives what it gives. When it is treated with Br2, it gives bromination on 5th position. As discussed in the last lecture, that is reactivity of heterocycles, all of you knows that if the 2nd position is vacant, then the electrophilic substitution reaction will take place at this पोझिशन नंबर 2. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना मागच्या वेळेस डिस्कस करताना मी पोझिशन सांगितलेले आहेत बरोबर. फर्स्ट पोझिशन और फर्स्ट नंबर इज गिवन टू द ऑक्सिजन ॲटम, सेकंड नंबर टू दिस कार्बन, थर्ड, फोर्थ आणि फिफ्थ, ह्या कायम लक्षात ठेवा. आता याच्या पुढे पोझिशन्स रिएक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये महत्वाच्या पोझिशन्स आहेत. सो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड. सो सेकंड पोझिशनला प्रिफर करतो इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. पण जर सेकंड पोझिशन ब्लॉक असेल, जसं इथं या केसमध्ये फ्युरिलिक ऍसिडच्या बाबतीमध्ये COOH ऑलरेडी प्रेझेंट आहे सेकंड पोझिशनला, देन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, इनकमिंग इलेक्ट्रोफाइल विल गोज टू द 5th position, that is Br will attach on the 5th position or 5th carbon atom. Okay, so 5th position will be occupied by the Br. What is electrophilic substitution reaction? इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रोफाइल सबस्टिट्यूट करतो. या केस मध्ये ब्रोमिनेशन जर करत असाल तुम्ही तर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल काय असेल, Br प्लस इज कॉल्ड ब्रोमोनियम, BROM, ब्रोमोनियम ion. Okay, Br plus is a bromonium ion. In the same way, chlorination, Cl plus or iodination I plus, these will be the electrophiles. Okay, so इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन मध्ये ब्रोमिनेशन इथं होतं. नाउ यू कॅन इलिमिनेट ऑर डिकार्बोक्सिलेट दिस COOH group with the help of quinoline and copper. Okay, quinoline plus copper, you can use this mixture to decarboxylate this molecule, and finally you will get brominated furan. Okay, so finally you will get here brominated furan. So due to the higher reactivity of heterocyclic compound, that is furan, you cannot directly brominate or you cannot directly halogenate this compound. So furan, only simple furan molecule, so you have to take furylic acid to decrease the reactivity towards electrophilic substitution reaction, because it is an electron withdrawing group which will deactivate the ring actually towards the electrophilic, but still it will react with bromine, or Br plus will substitute this hydrogen atom. All of you know that there is one hydrogen at each carbon atom. Okay, प्रत्येक कार्बनला एक एक हायड्रोजन असतो. सो इथं जो हायड्रोजन आहे त्याचा सबस्टिट्यूशन Br न करतो, Br प्लस सबस्टिट्यूट करतो त्याला, आणि आपल्याला काय मिळतो इथं 5 ब्रोमो फ्युरिलिक ऍसिड. 2 फ्युरिलिक ऍसिड पासून 5 ब्रोमो 2 फ्युरिलिक ऍसिड आपल्याला मिळतो. त्याचं पुढे डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन करतो आपण. सो दिस इज द मिक्सचर युज्ड फॉर डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन. डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन मीन्स एलिमिनेशन ऑफ CO2 molecule. So CO2 is eliminated and you will get here 2 bromo. Now this is 2 bromo furan. Why it is 2 bromo, not it is called as a 5 bromo? Because there is no substituent on this position, so the numbering will goes from this side now. Okay, so second position la bromine yield, therefore it will be called as a 2 bromo furan. Okay, understood? So next one, that is bromination or halogenation in short of thiophene. We will discuss further the halogenation of thiophene. Halogenation of thiophene. So take here thiophene plus, now if you want to add or give the substitution reaction for the Br2 or bromine, you can use here a reagent known as NBS. NBS, what is mean by NBS? NBS has the structure as like follow. This is Br. The name is N-bromo succinamide. SUCCINAMIDE. N-bromosuccinamide. Okay, so NBS is a brominating agent, a mild brominating agent, which is used for the bromination of aromatic rings, particularly for thiophene. This N-bromosuccinamide, this is the structure of NBS, that is N-bromosuccinamide. Okay, so long form of NBS is N-bromosuccinamide. So if you treat this compound, that is thiophene, this is what thiophene, with NBS, you will get here bromo substituted thiophene. Okay, you will get here bromo substituted thiophene. If you want to chlorinate this compound, then use simply SO2Cl2, sulfuryl chloride. What is this? SO2Cl2 means sulfuryl chloride. So this SO2Cl2 will give you halogenated, that is chlorinated product. 2-chlorothiophene. This is 2-bromothiophene. There are solvents which are used here, CH2Cl2 type, dichloromethane type solvents can be used for the NBS. Okay, so you can perform the bromination by using NBS in dichloromethane, or you can use here SO2Cl2, just heat with SO2Cl2, you will get the chlorinated thiophene. This is what 2-bromothiophene. This is 2-chlorothiophene. So you can write the IUPAC nomenclature also. Okay, so further, this is simple halogenation of what? Thiophene. Now further we will discuss now halogenation of pyrrole. Okay, so pyrrole ring contains nitrogen as a heteroatom, which is basic in nature. Basic means it is having more tendency to donate the electron, and it activates the ring. This nitrogen activates the ring towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. So whatever reaction you will perform here, either you will perform SO2Cl2, that is chlorination, either you will perform the bromination Br2 in C2H5OH solvent, Br2 in C2H5OH you can use here, or if you use here Ki plus iodine, Ki plus I2, if you perform iodination, this is chlorinating agent, this is brominating agent, this is iodinating agent. So you can perform chlorination, bromination or iodination if you perform anything. So here in any condition at any cost you will get here X, 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 X. So polyhalogenated substitution derivative of pyrrole will be obtained. Polyhalogenated म्हणजे काय, जो काही x इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन किंवा आयोडीन, बरोबर. x इज इक्वल टू काय आहे, x इज इक्वल टू ब्रोमीन, क्लोरीन और आयोडीन. सो तुम्ही काहीही वापरा इथे, ब्रोमिनेशन केलं किंवा क्लोरिनेशन केलं किंवा आयोडिनेशन केलं, काही जरी केलं तरी पायरॉल रिंग मधल्या नायट्रोजनच्या इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग नेचरमुळे रिंग एवढी ऍक्टिव्हेट होते किंवा एवढी रिएक्टिव्ह आहे पायरॉलची रिंग की त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, एका ठिकाणी सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन होऊन थांबत नाही, पॉली सबस्टिट्यूटेड प्रॉडक्ट तुम्हाला इथं मिळतो. सो तुम्ही काही पण करा. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हॉट अबाउट हायड्रोजनेशन रिएक्शन्स ऑफ फ्युरान, thiophenol and pyrrole. Now we will discuss sulfonation reaction. Okay, we will discuss now the sulfonation reaction. Second, so sulfonation reaction is called where SO3H group, sulfonation means what, SO3H group substitute the aromatic ring. Aromatic ring वरती SO3H group चं substitution होतं. कशी होती reaction पाहूया. So for the sulfonation reaction, for sulfonation of furan, first we will discuss sulfonation of furan. So this sulfonation can be carried out plus SO3, that is SO3 gas, in presence of pyridine, pyridine SO3 mixture. This is what, pyridine SO3 mixture. So this pyridine SO3 mixture in presence of SO3 gas, there will be the sulfonation of this furan ring, as it is very much reactive ring. Furan ring is very much reactive ring or unstable ring, you can say that. Reactive means reactive म्हटल्यापेक्षा unstable है. So you will get here SO3H as a product, substitution product. Right. So this is what, 2 furan, 2 sulfonic acid, furan 2 sulfonic acid. So this is furan 2 sulfonic acid. If you want to sulfonate pyrrole, again you can use the same way, that is SO3 in presence of pyridine SO3, pyridine SO3 mixture, that is mixture of SO3 and pyridine. Then you will get here sulfonated SO3H, sulfonated pyrrole. Same nomenclature can be given, pyrrole 2 sulfonic acid. Okay, and if you want to have sulfonation of thiophenol, which is a most stable among these three, या तिघांमध्ये सगळ्यात स्टेबल कोणती रिंग आहे, ही thiophenol ची रिंग आहे. So you can use here two types of reagents. Either you can use concentrated H2SO4 95%, you will require 30 degrees Celsius temperature here, or you can use this same reagent, that is SO3 plus pyridine, SO3 in pyridine, SO3 in pyridine. So you can use here 100 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, इथे सुद्धा 100 degrees Celsius temperature. So you can use either this one or this is, or you can use either this one or you can use this one. So out of these two you can use anything. So you will get here sulfonated thiophenol. Okay, sulfonated SO3H thiophenol. So in this way sulfonation can be carried out for simple reaction, very simple reaction, that is sulfonation of pyrrole, sorry, furan, pyrrole and thiophenol. Now we will discuss third one reaction, next one, that is nitration reaction. Again very simple and familiar reaction, that is nitration reaction. What is third one? Third one is the nitration reaction. Nitration means NO2 functional group. NO2 फंक्शनल ग्रुपनं सबस्टिट्यूशन करणं म्हणजे नायट्रेशन रिएक्शन. काय रिएक्शन आहे पाहूया. फॉर नायट्रेशन रिएक्शन generally carried out with a nitrating mixture. If the aromatic compound is there and if you want to carry out the nitration reaction, then it is generally carried out with the nitrating mixture, that is concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. This is called nitrating mixture. Sometimes only concentrated HNO3 can also be used for the nitration, but in case of furan and pyrrole, these are reactive rings. Okay, they are, although they are aromatic, but they are highly reactive rings. Therefore you cannot use directly the nitrating mixture in those cases. So you have to use some milder nitrating agent. So you can take here acetic anhydride CH3CO taken twice O, acetic anhydride, plus N2O5 nitro group provider, NO2 group provider, or you can source of NO2 group. So it will give you CH3COO NO2, CH3COO NO2 twice. This nitrating agent, this is called acetyl nitrate. What it is called? It is called acetyl nitrate. This acetyl nitrate is comparatively milder reagent, milder nitrating agent than concentrated HNO3. So this acetyl nitrate can be used for the nitration reaction of furan and pyrrole. So we will write the reaction now. Nitration reaction for furan. This is furan molecule plus CH3COO NO2. Take here 0 degree Celsius temperature, because nitrating mixture can rupture this ring or break down this ring, or you can say this reaction can lead to the ring opening reaction. Therefore please maintain the temperature below 5 degrees Celsius and you will get here 2 nitro furan. If you treat pyrrole with this CH3COO NO2, what is this again? Acetyl nitrate. So same reagent can be used for pyrrole also. Here you can use some of the higher temperature, that is 5 degrees Celsius. Up to 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature is required. So you will get here pyrrole molecule with nitration at second position. Always keep in mind second position will be preferred position or fifth position if second is blocked. And finally, if you want to nitrate the thiophene is comparatively stable ring. Okay, so you can use here directly conc HNO3 as a nitrating agent, and reaction can be carried out up to the 10 degrees Celsius temperature. So you will get here nitro derivative of thiophene. Okay, thiophene चा काय मिळेल तुम्हाला इथे NO2, 2 position ला 2 nitro thiophene will be obtained here. So this is simple reaction. Just you have to keep in mind what concentrated HNO3 nitrating mixture or concentrated HNO3 can be used for only what? Thiophene molecule. Furan and pyrrole cannot be nitrated using this concentrated HNO3. So here you have to use acetyl nitrate, this acetyl nitrate as a milder nitrating agent. Okay, so just keep in mind this for furan and pyrrole. Baki simple hai, kai vishesh avghad nahi. Okay, so this is what nitration reaction. Now we will go for fourth one, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. या सगळे रिएक्शन्स तुम्ही मागच्या काही एपिसोड्स बघितले असतील, त्याच्यामध्ये अमाइन्सच्या बाबतीत आपण या रिएक्शन्स बघितल्या, 2-3 यातल्या रिएक्शन्स आपण डिस्कस केलेले आहेत. ओके, सो फोर्थ वन इज द Friedel-Crafts acylation. What is mean by acylation? Substitution by COCH3 group. COCH3 group. So acylation reaction will be the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So the Friedel-Crafts acylation for furan molecule plus CH3CO taken twice O. What is this? This is acetic anhydride, HYDRIDE, acetic anhydride. So this acetic anhydride is a acylating agent. Instead of this can also be used CH3COCl. So but this in CH3COCl you can use for other types of rings also, aromatic rings. Here you can use only acetic anhydride for particularly for furan molecule. Okay, so if you treat this acetic anhydride with this, simply acylation reaction will take place. COCH3 group plus byproduct will be CH3COOH. No need to write in detail about the byproduct. So just write correctly the product, main product, that is 2-acyl furan. Okay, 2-acyl furan. Secondly, pyrrole can also be treated with you can use here BF3 as a Lewis acid. Okay, BF3 as Lewis acid, carry out this reaction and at 0 degree Celsius. Again, higher reactivity of furan is responsible to maintain the temperature below range. Then pyrrole can be used or treated with the CH3, again CO taken twice O. Again you can use here 50 degree Celsius for pyrrole. No need to add any catalyst like BF3 here added, so no need to, because pyrrole ring is very much activated ring. It is activated towards electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, so no need to add here. Directly acylation will take place. Byproduct will be same here. बायप्रोडक्ट सगळीकडे हाच असणार आहे जर ॲसिटिक अनहायड्रेट आपण वापरत असू जर, आणि जर ॲसिटिल क्लोराईड वापरला तर मग HCl हा बाय प्रोडक्ट असतो. सो यू कॅन यूज दॅट ॲसिटिल क्लोराईड हिअर. सल्फर थायोफिन, थायोफिनच्या बाबतीमध्ये आपण आयदर हा वापरू शकतो किंवा आपण दुसरा लिहूया CH3C double bond OCl. दिस इज ॲसिटिल क्लोराईड and here temperature can also be used for 50 degree Celsius. You can add here SnCl for stannous chloride as a catalyst, which is known as Lewis acid catalyst. Friedel-Crafts reaction always uses Lewis acid catalysts. So you will get here again COCH3. So in this way Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction can be carried out. So you can use acetic anhydride for the acylation of furan and pyrrole, and you can use here acetyl chloride for the acylation, or you can here use also acetic anhydride also. जेव्हा acetic anhydride as a acylating agent वापराल त्यावेळेस बाय प्रोडक्ट काय असतो CH3COH, आणि ज्यावेळेस हा असेल त्यावेळेस बाय प्रोडक्ट HCl असतो. ओके, सो बाय प्रोडक्ट विल बी HCl for this particular reaction. So this is simpler Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, व्हेरी कॉमन टू द अरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड्स. बऱ्याचशा अरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड्स मध्ये, जवळपास सगळ्याच अरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड मध्ये आपल्याला ही रिएक्शन बघायला मिळते. कुठली? Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. All these examples that we are discussing are the part of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी प्रत्येक रिएक्शन मध्ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल वेगवेगळा आहे. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल म्हणजे काय? इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशियंट स्पेसिसला आपण काय म्हणतो? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल असं म्हणतो, बरोबर. सो प्रत्येक रिएक्शन मध्ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल हा वेगवेगळा आहे. लास्ट रिएक्शन that we will discuss now, fifth one, that is Willsmer-Hack reaction. Willsmer-Hack reaction. This is used for substitution by CHO aldehyde group, बरोबर. Willsmer-Hack reaction. In this way, where this is a reactant molecule furan plus CnCH3CH3 C double bond OH. This is called DMF. In short, it is called DMF. What is mean by DMF? DMF is N, N dimethyl formamide. N, N dimethyl formamide. It is in short called DMF. Why it is called N, N dimethyl formamide? Formamide means this is an CO nitrogen attached to the CHO group. Therefore, it is called as a formamide. And N, N dimethyl म्हणजे काय? नायट्रोजनला दोन मिथिल ग्रुप आहेत ना, सो दोन मिथिल ग्रुप नायट्रोजनला प्रेझेंट असल्यामुळे N, N डायमिथिल फॉर्मामाइड असं याचं नाव आहे. इन शॉर्ट, दिस इज नोन एज DMF. ओके, so when you will treat this DMF with furan in presence of POCl3 as a catalyst, then you will get here first iminium salt. What you will get here? You will get first iminium salt like CH double bond N CH3 CH3. Okay, so you will get here iminium salt. Nitrogen will be positively charged because nitrogen gets 4 bonds here, 1 2 3 4. So you will get iminium salt. What is this? You can say here, right here, Cl minus in presence of iminium salt. So this is IMINIUM, iminium salt. And when you will hydrolyze this iminium salt in presence of any base like NaOH H2O, so you will get here finally the product, that is this is furan molecule with C double bond OH, means what? Aldehyde functional group. So 2 furan 2 aldehyde किंवा furan 2 कार्बाल्डिहाइड असं सुद्धा याला आपण म्हणू शकतो. ओके, furan 2 कार्बाल्डिहाइड प्लस बाय प्रोडक्ट इज NHCH3CH3. So secondary amine will be the byproduct. So our main product is सेकंड पोझिशनला काय येतो? फ्युरिल ग्रुप किंवा ज्याला काय म्हणतो आपण अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप, CHO ग्रुप आपल्याला सेकंड पोझिशनला आपल्याला बघायला मिळतो. ओके, कशी रिएक्शन होते? DMF सोबत POCl3 च्या प्रेझेन्स मध्ये जर हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड घेतला, तो ट्रीट केला, तर त्याच्यापासून आधी इमिनियम सॉल्ट तयार होतो. तो इमिनियम सॉल्ट आपण त्याला ऍसिड सॉरी बेस हायड्रोलिसिस केलं की त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला काय मिळतो? अल्डिहाइड आणि बेस ॲज अ सेकंडरी बेस मॉलिक्यूल ॲज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. ओके, सो वी विल कॅरी आउट this reaction on pyrrole also and thiophene also one by one. Okay, so first reaction with pyrrole, Willsmer-Hack reaction for pyrrole plus same reactant molecule, same again, DMF C double bond OH N CH3 CH3. Again this is DMF in presence of POCl3 as a catalyst. You will get again here iminium salt. थोडंसं खाली लिहितो जागेचा कंस्ट्रेन असल्यामुळे. नायट्रोजन H डबल बॉन्ड CH डबल बॉन्ड N positive charge CH3 again Cl minus will be remain. This is again iminium salt which can be further hydrolyzed in presence of CH3COONA. So थोडासा माइल्डर बेस घेतला इथे NaOH च्या ऐवजी in presence of H2O. It will get hydrolyzed to give CHO. This is our main product. Byproduct will be the same, secondary amine. So this is pyrrole 2 carbaldehyde. What is this? This is what? Pyrrole 2 carbaldehyde. In the same fashion you can have Willsmer-Hack reaction for thiophene also. Same DMF POCl3. You will get here, instead of this pyrrole, you will get here iminium salt of this thiophene molecule. When it will further hydrolyzed, you will get thiophene 2 carbaldehyde or thiol 2 carbaldehyde. So in the same way this Willsmer-Hack reaction can be carried out. In total we discussed today 5 reactions. That is, first one we will discuss, that is sulfonation reaction was one we discussed, then nitration reaction is discussed, then Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction is discussed, then halogenation reaction is discussed, and finally we discussed about Willsmer-Hack reaction. So in total these are the 5 examples of the reaction, electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions, which are common for all these 3 heterocyclic compound, that is furan, thiophene and pyrrole. Just there are some changes in the reagents due to the different types of reactivities of this compound. या कंपाऊंडच्या रिएक्टिव्हिटीज वेगवेगळ्या असल्यामुळे काही ठिकाणी वेगळे रिएजंट्स फक्त वापरायला लागतात, बाकी रिएक्शन्स आणि त्यांचे प्रॉडक्ट्स हे कसे असतात? सेम असतात. सो आता या एपिसोडमध्ये आपण इथेच थांबूया. उरलेल्या ज्या स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन्स आहेत या सगळ्या रिंग्सच्या, फ्युरानच्या, पायरॉलच्या किंवा थायोफिनच्या ज्या स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन्स आहेत किंवा त्या पर्टिक्युलर रिएक्शन्स ज्या आहेत त्या आपण नेक्स्ट एपिसोडमध्ये डिस्कस करणार आहोत. तुम्हाला हा जर व्हिडिओ आवडला तर त्याला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.